welcome back to my another video. Today we are reading the story A Happy Sunday. It is written by Debassish Deb. So start the video. Today is Sunday. It means a holiday for Bunty. Bunty, it is 9 a.m. High time to be out of bed. Calls out Mom. If you promise to keep my scrambled eggs ready, Mom, announces Bunty. Dad, I want to be the first person to see the sports section, please. Wow! India wins gold in hockey. No milk, Mom. I will have only tea today, just like Dad, smiles Bunty. Come, Jimmy, let's read a storybook now. I have read the sports section, a comic and a story. Now it is time for computer game. Mom, it is 5 p.m. Time to cricket. Great shot, Bunty should be a 6. Wow, a master stroke. See the ball how it's going. Next. Mom, I back. Go and get a good shower, darling, ugly mom. Mrs. Willis. Bunty, Bunty, call out Mom. I am watching my favorite Toon show, Mom. Toon means cartoon. Where I have kept my Pokemon cards. Train, train, train. Bunty, your class friend Rajiv has called. He wants to know if there is school tomorrow. It is already late now. Finish your dinner, brush your teeth, and go to bed. You have school tomorrow. Why school, Bunty? Every day is special. Monday are nice and bright, followed by Tuesday, which are poor boy. And every Saturday is followed by a Sunday. A happy Sunday! Thank you kids for watching. Bye. Like, subscribe, share to your friends. Bye.